Good evening, family. So this is a part 2 video of the breastfeeding burping scarf. This is in the makings. As you can see the pouch part. It's gotten longer since the last time you've seen it. And it's starting to fold. It's getting longer. Almost look like a purse, huh? But the way I did this is I doubled the yarn before I did my pearl stitch. And you can see it looks like little rolls of corn. But if you look at it on this side, very, very different, huh? Different pattern. Nice pattern. It's coming along. It's not done yet. It's gotta be long. It's gotta be long enough to cover the mom and baby while the baby nurse, and also long enough to cover the baby's face if she's in the sun getting some melatonin, vitamin D from the sun, and she don't want the sun beaming in the baby's face. This can be long enough to cover the baby's face. So you would definitely see the finishing touches to this. I just want to show you, and then I'll show you exactly what I'm doing right now. Actually went from double to now single. As you can see, this is single. This was double. Now this is single pearl. And you wait, when it's finished, it's going to be so nice. It's coming in just the way I want it. I take this here, and now I'm going to take, let me see if I can move it farther back. So I'm here. I'm going to do the last one. I just call it under and over. I pull under and I pull it over and I replace with a new yarn. Let's see if you can see that. Then I'm going to come back and do it again. And I pull. Now I'm going to the next one, next row. The next row. And as you see me doing this, this is how it gets longer. Once you stay consistent. I know for me, I have a habit of having changing patterns. What happens is I look at what I'm doing, and then I see something else that I could be doing with this particular material, and all of a sudden the practice mode kicks in, and I have to learn to just be consistent on what I'm doing, because just now I just found another way to do another pattern, and I'm not going to do it on here because this is for my best friend and her new baby, and I want her to enjoy my new invention. She'll be the second customer, but this one, it's a gift. So again, she's gonna promote me, and I'm very proud of that. I'm grateful. I would love for her to show off my work, and hopefully you can still see that. So I'm gonna just finish one row for you, and then I'll show you the finishing touches. And then So I took some time to just work on it. It's still not long enough. How long you will want this particular breastfeeding scarf is you want a full fold. Like right here, this is not even a full fold. It's like a half of a fold. You want a full fold. And then when it's really completely, truly completed, then I'll show you. But this is how far I've gotten. You see how this looks? I want you to see how the patterns change in the inside. This pattern, let me see if I can push it out. Now, do you see how this looks? The pattern changes on my way to finishing. See the pattern? Isn't it beautiful? So, I have a long ways to go, and I'll show you the finishing touches on part 3 video, and get ready for bed. This is worth it. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Again, this is for a mom to wear around her neck. There's the neck part. This is 4 inches wide. She can probably deal with it. This probably will touch her chin, but this will actually help stabilize this scarf that she's gonna wear in the front, so she can nurse the baby. And this end part, you say, well, why are these strings are hanging? We're not done. I'm not done. I'm gonna take this here, and I'm going to re-knit this into a strong binky holder, so they can pop a binky in the baby mouth. There you go. See. Also, this right here, I'm gonna tell you one more thing about this part. This is she can wear it either side. It's fine. But if she wears it on this side, this is the cushion part. This is so comfortable. This is so comfortable for baby. So comfortable for baby. She can lay the baby on here and stuff. But if it's too hot outside and she want to get some sun, this is where this part where it's a little bit thinner. This can cover the baby's face. And this is the right size. This is the right size. The last one I showed you was done incorrectly, as I stated, and it wasn't the right size. This here is the right size. This can cover the baby's face. Right now the baby's little, so it can cover the baby's face and back, and probably the legs will hang out, but that's as far as it's going. Go. It'd be perfect. But I'm not done. I have ways to go. And this took longer for me to complete, because what I did was I didn't take care of my yarn. And that's on me. As soon as that packet came apart, I just let it just be anywhere. So I'm fighting it and dragging it. When you have yarn, and it falls, the pack falls off, just put it back on there. Don't be lazy like I did. I sat there and I got so many yarns, and I was real lazy. So that's what happened. And I ended up fighting for a whole hour and a half trying to unravel this yarn just to get to the main yarn, so I can continue on my project. And I mean, it's therapeutic. I'm not gonna lie, it's therapeutic, but it's time consuming, and I gotta get this done. I need this mailed off to my friend by Friday. Her hat, the pillow, and all that. I want her to see all the little cute stuff I made. I'm thinking about, if I have enough time, I'll make a baby bib too. Make the baby a bib so it could go with the hat. Yeah. Anyway, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the 3rd video.